being able to have data that can be understood in multiple languages and a rollout time that's under 90 days, like, you don't find that anywhere else. The brilliance is in the simplicity.
It allows us to be goal-oriented, and it allows us to be our best selves every single day.
So it has been an invaluable tool for me with the success of the production floor.
I think Redzone is an amazing tool. There's not anything that we've currently run into and we're like, hey, I want to fix this problem, and I can't by using Redzone.
Redzone has helped us increase our shop floor communication as well as provide real-time data visibility.
Look, it's a great one-stop shop. It's the Facebook of business.
It gives you information you didn't know you needed before from a total different lens than you had.
Redzone's about changing culture. It's about engaging the front line. It's about giving the voice to the factory. If you're geared into cultural change, which is what most companies should be geared into right now, that's what Redzone's going to give you.
Redzone far beyond reached what we were expecting for it, and I mean, the numbers don't lie.
It helps you improve as an operator.
It enables us to develop people quicker. We couldn't do this without Redzone.
This is critical change. If you want to be better, you want to be an industry leader, you need to do this.
If you can't see it, you can't change it. And Redzone allows you to see it so you can change it for the better.
So you want to drive out complacency, have a Redzone implementation.
Redzone gives you really good data, and not only does it give you good data, it gives you the tools to be able to create solutions to the issues that you see.
We know that it can make a huge difference for a plant that may have engagement issues, that may have downtime, that they can't seem to get root cause.
It really lets you focus on running your business.
Being able to look the whole factory over on one device is big. It's grown us.
I came from one of the largest tire manufacturers in the whole world, and Redzone has provided way clearer data than I've ever seen in a manufacturing space.
It's 100% an easy decision to make. You collect more data with less effort. Once the data is collected, you can generate reports instantly. It's amazing.
You use Redzone, like that's going to guide you to hit that target, that goal, whatever it may be.
When I'm asked, like, why did your number go from 9 to 1 in injuries, I say it's the communication, and then that all ties back to Redzone.
I can't imagine us running this plant without Redzone. It's a godsend.